Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be with my elf, and another small project I've been meaning to get to is in here in the trunk. So when I open up this trunk, it just creaks badly. So I'd like to do something about that today. And I think it's going to be a relatively quick repair, but we'll have to figure out what's going on in here. So join me in the trunk, will you? So what I see here is the spring arm, which slides or rotates inside this little metal housing here. So that certainly is a place where friction can be causing a noise. But there's also this roller here, which doesn't appear to be rolling at all. So I'm gonna have to take a look at this and see if maybe something has gotten bent back here. But I definitely think that this roller needs to obviously roll in order for it to slide along this rail here. But I think this is the cause of the noise. So up here, I'm just going to put some lubricant. And again, it's on both sides of the car, so I'll lubricate both of these little spring pivots. But I'm going to take a look at this little roller here and see what I can do about it. Well, after giving it a bit of a spray down with some grease, I finally had to get the persuaders out to get it to roll nicely. So there you go. Got that rolling. One thing that does concern me is that these paint marks here on this locating notch for the spring show that this spring is kind of moved a bit. And also on the roller, you can see that the roller itself has chewed a channel into the cam that it slides against. So this has definitely been rubbing for quite some time. So I wonder if I need to reset the hinge positions to relieve some of that stress that's going on here. We'll see. So now that I freed up both of those wheels with the persuader and some grease, and I greased all the pivot points, this trunk closes nicely now. You know, no more noise. The one thing that does bother me is that when you open it up all the way, it tends to fall down. So I'm going to have to see what I can do about that. And I do wonder if that has to do with the spring tension and the position that it's sitting in. But at least it doesn't creak anymore. So I managed to fix the hood falling problem by repositioning this clamp and pushing the assembly towards the front, so pushing these springs forward. It sort of helped reposition the rollers, and it gave this lid a bit more tension. So now when I open the hood, it just stays put. And here we are. All the way open, stays open. Doesn't want to fall down even if you push it a little bit. So yeah, just another small job that I was able to do fairly quickly that makes this car just a whole lot nicer to live with. So if you guys like that video, let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in a future episode. Maybe with the elf, maybe more tuning. I don't know how this winter is going to go, but yeah, just stay tuned and watch for more episodes.